Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook profile photo without posting. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon, tap on your profile and tap on the camera icon here. You can see choose profile picture here. Let me tap on this photo and here you can see share your update to news feed because we don't want to post our profile, we just want to change it. So this is how you can easily change your profile photo without uploading. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.